Hey friends, TUXX here. I got a viewer who asked me about polishing cars, that kind of thing, and as you know, we've had several Corvettes, and you know, it's a job sometimes to keep them nice, you know? It doesn't always look like this, you know? So it does take a little work, you know, washing, that kind of thing, and I told them that, you know, my favorite polisher, the cutting polish, is the 36 Chemical Brothers polish, and then I use the Hex Logic with the buffer. But they're like, oh, it's so expensive. That's the like entry level to buy all that stuff is pricey. So I just wanted to show you that Amazon does sell like a smaller size V36 polishing paste, okay, and even a small little buffing pad if you want. And this really can be done by hand. Of course, having a machine do it is probably better, but just to let you know, this is it can be done. Let me show you this pad real quick. This is just like their larger pads where it does have the Hex Logic Velcro on the back. It's like the soft part of the Velcro, so this will stick to your buffer, and that way you can actually cut through some of that oxidation, you know, and just to get like a super nice shine to it. And then this is a polishing paste. Let me show you this. And this I've shown in previous videos back in my queue. If you go back, you can see this in action. But I just wanted to show you there's a small one you can get, you know, so pretty cool. It probably just have a little thing on it. Yeah, so make sure you remove the little lid here. It's a nice white paste. Doesn't feel gritty or anything weird about it, and very relatively easy to use too. So anyway, that's my recommendation, guys. If you are trying to, you know, get through some of that oxidation or just keep your car looking nice, the Chemical Guys V36 with a cutting pad, and then you can follow that up with a polish and a polish pad afterwards. If you're doing this yourself, I just recommend some little chocolate chip sized drops. So we'll just take that, make sure it's shaken up well, give it some little drops here, about the size of a nice healthy chocolate chip. And maybe I'll do one more in the middle here. Okay, and then what I always do first is I'll go ahead and I'll just kind of splotch it around a little bit to an area. Just do one area at a time, you know. And from there you can honestly do this by hand if you want. It's even better with a polisher, but you can do it by hand, you know. Like you can start with by hand and kind of see how that looks, you know, and decide if this is the right product for you. And then from there, if you're pleased, you can always go and buy the polisher as a next step. You can already see how that's helping the shine. Allow it to white over just a little bit, then take a nice polishing cloth here. I like the Chemical Brothers one. I'll take this and I'll just give this a nice little thing. There's been a debate about doing circles or straight lines. If you have a preference, let me know in the comments or email me at tuxxtoys@gmail.com if you prefer to make circles or if you think that creates swirl marks and you'd rather do straight lines. So here's the Chemical Brothers Torque buffer polisher. Again, this is not the correct size of pad to use with this, so I highly recommend not doing this, but for purposes of this video, I just want to show you it can be done. Just make sure to be careful on angular sections that you don't scratch it, because you really could scratch up your car. You don't want that. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to, on this nice smooth surface, give it some little pads like that, and then usually I'll set it around 4. You can go higher if you want. I think 4 is a good place to start. So we're going to hit this. And there you have it, guys. You can see it's nice and clean. I'm not sure if the camera's picking this up. I'm gonna take a photo of this too. But even this area, before I used a towel to it, it still looks considerably better than it did before. So let me show you a picture. Here's a picture. And there you go, guys. So again, it can be done by hand, or I highly recommend the Torque buffer polisher with the correct size pad.